Hi, this is Vivek. I'm from channel Cop Corner, and in this video, we are going to make team of the season for Premier League. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. But before doing that, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Let's get into the video. So, for this team, we'll start with the goalkeeper's position. And in goalkeeping position, I'm keeping Metzells as my goalkeeper. He has kept the most number of clean sheets in this season. 8 clean sheets he has kept for a team like Nottingham Forest. That's a lot. Uh, it's very impressive. He is one of the most improved keeper for this season. He has been making a lot of important saves. He is one of the most important player in that Nottingham Forest side. He straight away gets into the team. Uh, One of the standout players for Nottingham Forest. Yeah, so he's the one of the players who is getting into the team from Nottingham Forest side. Yeah, so the formation for the team is going to be classic 4-3-3. That's pretty obvious, I guess. Okay, now coming to the defenders, the four defenders I have picked for this team or the team of the season till now is right back being Trent. I think he has improved so much under Arne Slot. He has to make to the team. We have not still given him a new contract, and there are rumors that he has started negotiating with Real Madrid. We do not know anything about it yet, but I believe we have to give him the new contract. He is still able to find those whipping passes, and he has also improved a lot defensively. So he gets into the team straight in. Then left back, I'm going for this team is Joseph Guardiol. All the Man City isn't doing very good. Guardiol has been uh, one of the standout players from that side, scoring goals and defensively not so good. But uh, going forward, he provides a lot. He has the second number of goals for that City side. That says a lot. He gets into the team at the left back position. The two center backs I'm going for. There were three in my mind, but uh, it's a clear, straightforward choice now. It's Virgil van Dijk, and in place of Gabriel, I'm going for Aina. Um, he's been so good. Nottingham Forest defender Aina. Um, he has been so good defensively, keeping 8 clean sheets again. Nuno Santos have made his game so good. His passes, his forward play is also very good defensively. He looks solid. He has been one of the best players in the league so far. And Virgil van Dijk, of course, best player, best defender in the league currently, and like for past couple of 5-6 seasons, he has been the best defender, and he has reached to the glory that we were accustomed to before the Pickford injury at Aina. So these are the four defenders: Trent, Guardiol, Aina, and Virgil van Dijk. Okay, so for the midfield, I'm going with two Chelsea players and one Liverpool player. Uh, Both the Chelsea player have been really fantastic. Moses Caicedo and Gravenberg as the two holding midfielders, and ahead of them at the number 10 position, it's Cole Palmer. Uh, Before start of the season, if someone would have told me that Gravenberg would be our box to box midfielder, our number 6, and would do so good, I wouldn't have believed them because he failed in Bayern, and last year under Klopp, he didn't look like himself. He was just a shadow of what he's doing currently. But under Arne Slot, Dutch communication happened, and now he's one of the best players in the league right now currently. Same with Moses Caicedo, one of the most improved player in the entirety of Premier League. Both of them look so good. Very good defensive midfielders. mm, Gravenberg with Moses Caicedo in the team could also have the liberty to go up front and provide the attacking abilities that he has. On Palmer, one of the best passers, great penalty taker, and gets into any team currently. in any Premier League team. Yeah, this is my midfield with Gravenberch and Moises Caicedo as the two defensive midfielders, and Cole Palmer as the number 10. Okay, so the attacking three are two Liverpool players and one Nottingham Forest player. I know this team is very heavily focused on Liverpool players, but that would be the case because they have been the best team so far in the season. In this season, yeah. So most of the players would be from Liverpool, obviously. I tried to make the team without any biases. I hope so. I was able to do that. So left wing pair it is Luis Diaz, and right wing pair it is Mohamed Salah. Both of them have been so good. Luis Diaz had some sort of goal route in between, but overall, considering the season, he has been really very good. I think Cody Gakpo is going to give him a good challenge right now, but up till now, I think Luis Diaz edges it for me. But still, Cody Gakpo is very very close and might get into the team of the season at the end of the season. But currently at the mid season, it is Luis Diaz who is making it to my team, and in the right hand side, it's Mohamed Salah. Most amount of goals and assists is breaking records after records. The numbers he's putting are fairly equal to what Messi and Ronaldo used to do back in the days. He gets into the team very easily, very fairly, and up front, it's Isaac. Uh, One of the best strikers in the league right now. He also have been so fiery, so good. December month he scored some 8 goals, I think, but still he won't get the Player of this Month award because Salah had been so good. 14 goal contribution. Isaac month was really great. He has been so good this season again. Uh, the goals were not coming for Newcastle United, but Isaac always looked that threat and he has been scoring goals for fun this season. So Isaac gets into my team with Mohamed Salah and Luis Diaz on the wings. Midfield of Moises Caicedo, Cole Palmer and Gravenberch. Defense of Trent, Joskov Guardiol, uh, Aina and Van Dijk, and goalkeeper Metzels. This is my starting 11. Some notable mentions I would like to give for this video are Mbumo, then Emil Smith Rowe, then Robinson from Fulham, and then again Nicholas Jackson, been very improved. Still, he misses a lot of chances, but I think he has improved a lot and he might get into the team. Cody Gakpo, he has not made the team right now, but might get into the team later. Again, these are the some of the notable mentions I think might be considered later on the season. For this video, that's it. I hope you liked the video, enjoyed it thoroughly. If you have made it this far, please again like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you might. Thank you for watching, and that's it. That's my time. Bye bye.